Morning, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got a pretty cool idea that I'm going to build, which is I'm going to be building a light mount, antenna mount that's going to sort of sit here. I have a quick sort of idea that I'll throw up.
I admit, this wasn't my idea. I definitely saw a guy on Facebook, Woodland Customs, that was doing them for the barn door variant, but not the swings, not the boot lid, my variant. So shout out to him, because this was cool as shit. I'm sure he stole it from someone else, and they stole it from someone else, but credit where credit's due. Woodland Customs, you gave me this idea.
This is what I had previously designed. Unfortunately, I lost the design. So we're going to quickly make a new one up and get it quickly fabbed up, designed up, I should say. And then once we've got that all sorted, we're going to see if I can get it made. I'm not going to make it though. I'm going to get it made, and we're going to see if I can get it looking pretty cool. And if it works out well, I'm going to put them up for sale and see if you guys want to buy them. So stick around. I hope you enjoy. All right, that is where we are at. So I like the idea. Obviously it's a bit flimsy, but that'll be nice and flat. Now I just want to make sure that this platform is big enough that when we have a hole in the center, that a antenna can go on this, because that's the idea, is that this can be both a light and an antenna. So this is the light that's going to go on here, but basically it's got this pad that it's going to go sort of sitting center. So I might need to come out a bit more, because what I might do is actually might build this out a little bit more, give it a wider platform. We'll keep drawing, keep fabbing up. All right, we have the new design. It's a little bit bigger, a little bit bulkier, but it is going to be able to very comfortably house this sort of size light, and then it's also going to be able to mount an antenna. So this obviously design is going to be able to be cut on one flat bit of sheet metal, bent around, and then that's it. Maybe like a tack weld or something, I'm not quite sure yet, but it's reversible. So we'll just fold it the other way and it can go on this side. So from here, I'm actually going to, this in fact is like the alternative to merch. You know, I thought, why have a t-shirt or why have a stubby holder? Like, you know, everyone's doing patches, you know, like my channel is about the 60 series, and how cool would it be if people actually had 60 series stuff made by a 60 series enthusiast that could go on their car. And if it's universal as well, even if you don't own a 60 series, this could be something that works for your car as well. So let's hope that this works, because I think it'd be pretty cool to have this. I think, you know, something different from the masses for sure. So let's see what happens, hey? Quick update, I've removed the tab from this section. Yeah, you can see from the back there that there's no weld now. So alright, quick update. So I finally sent over the invoice to get the sample sent over. It's costing me like 60 bucks in postage to get a sample sent over from China. But they've got the drawing, they are happy with it. So it's an unpainted sample without the weld. So if that's all good, then we'll negotiate some powder coating or stainless steel, and then yeah, get that weld put in either way. And hopefully we get some products on the way pretty soon. So I think it's gonna take 10 days for it to get here. So I might wrap this video up here actually. In 10 days time, we will have the sample, and I'll show you the next steps from there. But anyway, this is a fun process, so I hope you guys have enjoyed watching, you know, whatever I filmed. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.
Yeah. Peace, bye.